great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Carbon Pro Edition. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the truck. As you can see, the AT4s come with that Kalahari insert in those seats. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors. We've also got our programmable memory seat, the child lock button, auto express windows, and a premium Bose sound system. Down below, we've got our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and up above, the power sunroof. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. We also have our heads-up display button and the information tab. Next, I'll climb right in the truck and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side, we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and adaptive cruise control. We've also got the heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got our audio buttons. Here we have our digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, our rear window slider, power sunroof, and OnStar. Here we have our rear view mirror camera. We can change the view of the camera by simply flicking the switch at the bottom of the rear view mirror. Just below that, we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the current time as well as the outside temperature. We've got navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. We've got various views on those cameras. We can change the view by pushing the buttons located at the bottom of the screen. Here we have our push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats. We've got lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, our tailgate release, traction control, and we also have hill descent control. We've got the trailer brake, some USB and power plug-ins, and we've also got a wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Inside the center console, it's quite deep and spacious. We've got a light in there, as well as some USB and power plug-ins. At the front of the Carbon Pro AT4, we've got a unique grille that is unique to just the Carbon Pro trucks. Below that, we've got red tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch wheels, a 6.2-liter engine, running boards. The side mirrors have our side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock those doors for you. We've got the rear window slider as well as the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the back of the truck. This truck also has the multi-pro tailgate step. That tailgate step holds up to 500 pounds. In the box of the truck, we've got the black carbon composite bed, and below we've got the gloss black dual exhaust tips. In the box of the truck, we've got our cargo hooks as well as a power plug-in. Last, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger truck. As you can see, we've got lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. The center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've got some behind the seat storage located behind either of those rear seats. We also have some under seat storage located by simply lifting up those rear seats. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Carbon Pro Edition today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.